What is up, guys? A from AutoAddictUSA. Today we have something very exciting for you, so let's get into it and check it out. So as you can see, guys, this box is fully crated up. You can expect our bumpers to be shipped to your door in the same exact way. This bumper is so special, we don't want anything happening to it. Let's get to unboxing. It's go time. So inside, as you can see, we are fully equipped to make sure that this part arrives to your door safely. It is backed with custom-made foam and additional foam, just like so. So if you haven't guessed it already, we are unpacking our highly anticipated Black Panther bumper. Let's get this foam off and let's check it out together. This packaging is insane, guys. I mean, layer after layer after layer. So just to give you a little sneak peek, if you come right here, you can see that this is full carbon fiber, front side, back side, no fiberglass reinforcement. This is a true one-on-one carbon fiber replacement for your 5th gen Camaro. So you 10 to 15 owners, if you're looking for something to go fast, to go lightweight, or even for your show car, this right here is a product for you guys. Wow, no way. So here we have it. The Auto Addicts Black Panther full carbon fiber bumper conversion for the 10 to 15 Camaro market. So if you see here, we have the lower lip, the front grille, the upper grille, as well as your fog light pockets right here and intakes. All are one piece on this bumper. Now, you may be asking, why one piece? Well, we have noticed a lot of you performance guys and a lot of you show guys, there's a lot of products out there that aren't the greatest, but we're here to fix that for you. So with this solution right here, you can expect 10 out of 10 quality. This is 2x2 twill carbon fiber, and it is built to the highest standards here at Auto Addict. So there you have it, guys, our Black Panther carbon fiber one-piece bumper conversion for the 10 to 15 Camaro market. We are super excited to be shipping these out this week to our pre-orders. Thank you to everyone that pre-ordered this product. We have limited availability left. So if you're interested, with 3 or 4 units left, give us a call, shoot us an email. Thank you for watching and have a great day.